Hello, in this video I want to share with you the timeline of the Done For You implementation program so you can understand what will happen each month within your online presence and how we will ensure that you are getting results that we promised for you. So let's get into it. First month, of course, is launch of all of the processes. There is a lot of steps involved in this, but we are explaining this much further in our course where you understand the process and you understand how each marketing system will interact with another and what it will bring. After the week 4, where we are launching your paid advertisement, we are starting with education phase because we are now gathering feedback like data from these campaigns and we are learning what are the best strategies or content or systems to use to get the results. After the month 2, we are getting into month 3, which is optimization phase, where we are optimizing all of these campaigns, all of these processes, getting better basically, and preparing you for the next 4 to 6 months to get maximized results. In month 4, you are taking one of these 2 routes. Either you are going to manage everything by yourself and we are going to offboard you and just consult you on how to manage all of those processes, or we are going to manage it by our team for monthly fee plus some commission, and you will just attend recording sessions and reporting meetings each month. It was pretty straightforward video. Hopefully you understand how we will level up your online marketing presence in the next 4 months, and see you in the next video.